All right, this is CDL Class A Pretrip C, which is the trailer.
Okay.
We will start with our header board. It's properly mounted and secured. Not cracked, bent, and broken. Supports the weight in case of an emergency. My side marker light, properly mounted and secured. Proper color amber. Is not cracked or broken. My floorboard is properly mounted and secured. Not warped. No holes, not damaged. Supports the weight of my freight. The side of my flatbed, properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken. 50% DOT tape all the way down. My side marker light, properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or loose. Proper color amber. Next, my frame and cross members are properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken, no unauthorized holes or welds. My landing gear is properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken. The shoe is in the fully raised position, and the crank arm is in the fully locked position. This is what I use to raise and lower my landing gear. My turn signal, four-way flasher, running light is properly mounted and secured. Proper color amber, not cracked and broken. And it has three functions: the turn signal, a four-way, and a running light. Next, the flatbed steps, properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken, support the weight of the driver. Next, we go to my I-beam. Since this is an airbag trailer, you will have I-beams properly mounted and secured to the frame of the trailer. Not cracked or broken, no unauthorized holds or welds. Next will be the brake chamber. It is properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken, and the brake chamber band is properly secured. My brake hose is properly mounted and secured at both ends. No abrasions, bulges, or cuts, not leaking. Next, my ABS line is properly mounted and secured. No abrasions, bulges, or cuts, secured at both ends. My shock absorber and shock absorber mounts, properly mounted and secured at both ends. Not cracked or broken, not leaking. My slack adjuster and push rod, properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken, with the brakes released and pulled by hand, should travel no more than 1 inch. My airbag, properly mounted and secured. No abrasions, bulges, or cuts. No missing mounting bolts, and it is secured at both ends. All right. My brakes, my brake drum, properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken. No oil or debris. My brake pads and friction material, properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken. Friction material is not worn dangerously thin. There's no unauthorized holds or welds. My rim is properly mounted and secured. Not cracked or broken, no unauthorized holds or welds. My inner sidewall, tire sidewall, properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. It is properly inflated. My tire tread is worn evenly on both tires. They are properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, not leaking air. Next will be my bud space. There is properly mounted and secured. There's no free space in between the bud space. There's nothing caught in between it, nothing stuck. Next we'll go to my inner. We go to my outer. My inner and my outer. Tire sidewall is properly mounted and secured. No abrasions, bulges, or cuts. It's not leaking air. My rim is properly mounted and secured. No unauthorized holes or welds. My lug nuts, properly mounted and secured. There's no rust trails or powder residue, no shiny holes to indicate looseness. My valve stem, properly mounted and secured. It is not leaking, and the tire is properly inflated, and I can check that with an air gauge. My axle seal is properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken, not leaking, and properly filled. And then we would go to the rear of my trailer. We will start here with our ABS light. It's properly mounted and secured, proper color amber, it's working properly. Next we go to my rear marker light. It's properly mounted and secured, proper color red, and it is not cracked or broken. And we'll go to our mud flap. It's properly mounted and secured, not dragging the ground, no less than 8 inches, and not hitting our tire. My tail lights are properly mounted and secured. They're proper color red and have 4 functions: brake light, tail light, signal light, 4-way, and a running light. Next will be my license plate light. It's properly mounted and secured, proper color, functioning properly. Then we got my license plate. It is properly mounted and secured. It is clear and visible.